Hello, welcome to today's Polkadot news video, and let's start right away. First update on Acala: over 3 billion aUSD have been erroneously minted and claimed by 16 addresses, and almost 1.3 billion of these minted aUSD have been burned via referendum 21, and 1.68 billion aUSD error mints still remain on these 16 addresses. In addition to these aUSD, also some IBTC, ACA and DOT tokens which were obtained from this incident still remain on these 16 addresses on Acala chain. A community proposal was submitted today to return those 1.68 billion aUSD error mints and other assets obtained from those aUSD error mints. Also, as a reaction to these recent events, Acala team has posted a proposal for expedited referenda to Acala Community Governance Forum. The proposal suggests to shorten time periods in Acala's governance process. Acala team continues to trace these erroneously minted aUSD which have been swapped to other tokens, so now the next steps of Acala team will be to trace the rest of those aUSD wrong mints and hopefully to burn them. Acala chain is still working in a limited mode, so if you can, better to avoid using the network completely for now. Many functions on Acala have been temporarily paused. You can check here the current status of all functionalities on Acala app. aUSD peg still hasn't fully restored. On Monday, aUSD reached 97 cents, but since then it's dropped again, currently trading at 84 cents. Given the circumstances, I think Acala team is handling the whole situation pretty well, but Acala's reputation certainly took a big hit. Moving on to Kilt protocol, Kilt has secured a 2-year parachain slot lease on Polkadot in auction 24, which took place last week. Bot Labs, the developer company of Kilt protocol, bid for Kilt as the Parathread 2057 and self-funded the parachain slot. That means by mid-October, Kilt blockchain will move from Kusama to Polkadot relay chain. All functionalities and the following data will remain unchanged. There will be no difference for the users. All Kilt coin balance will be moved automatically to Kilt parachain on Polkadot, including vesting of Crowdloan rewards, so there is nothing for you to do if you hold Kilt coins. There is no change to Kilt tokenomics, nor is there fork or redenomination. By this transition to Polkadot, Kilt will gain additional levels of stability, security and governance mechanism from Polkadot, which is probably pressured and required by institutional clients and investors, and it will allow for a greater Kilt adoption by large institutions. Basically, Kilt tested .sama waters by being deployed on Kusama for a year, and now it's moving where the most of the value is, to Polkadot. Now Oak Network. Last week, Oak announced they will launch a Crowdloan to secure a slot on Polkadot on September 20th. Preliminary info on Oak Crowdloan allocation, rewards and Crowdloan hard cap have been released. You can check everything on this Oak Crowdloan website. Oak Network will bring secure and trustless automation in DeFi. Oak will enable tools and features for automation of trading and assets management on DeFi platform and DEXs built on Polkadot. If you are planning to participate in Oak Crowdloan, remember to unbond your staked DOT at the latest by Monday, August 27th, 11 p.m. UTC. The Crowdloan will go live on Tuesday, September 20th. The Crowdloan cap will be only 150,000 DOT, which is really low, so you gotta be fast if you want to be sure to contribute. The base reward will be 75.5 Oak per 1 DOT. Just reminding, the total supply of Oak after TGE will be 1 billion with 5% annual inflation. There is gonna be also 20% bonus, and it will be also possible to contribute through Bifrost SALP to maintain the liquidity of your contributed DOT. Now Amplitude went live on Kusama on Monday, thus it's already producing blocks, but your Ampere rewards have not yet been distributed. Amplitude is a canary network of Pendulum. Pendulum will serve as a connection between fiat-backed stablecoins and DeFi in Polkadot. Pendulum's main use case is to serve as a bridge between Polkadot and Stellar network ecosystem via Spacewalk Bridge. Next phase on Amplitude roadmap is democratization, which will take around 10 weeks. During this phase, Ampere rewards will be distributed and vesting will start, but your Ampere tokens still won't be transferable. What's good news though is that even your unvested Ampere can be used for staking, so you will be able to stake your whole Ampere balance. Token transfers will be enabled via governance referendum after the completion of this democratization process, so at the earliest in 2 months, and after that Amplitude will start rolling out new features, the main one being the Spacewalk Bridge to the Stellar ecosystem. And at the end, a playful update on Skybreach map and your land plots. Custom land resources have been added to the map, so now you can add your own land resource for the tile of your land plot. You can upload any JPEG or PNG picture on your land and that way to update the tile. Select your land plot, click here to edit the resource and update custom file. And here upload your file. You have probably also received some of these scammy offers on your land. You can hide them by going to settings and check enable spam offers filter. With this filter enabled, you will only see offers higher than 1 XE remark, or you can set your desired offer value here in advanced settings. That's all for today. Thanks a lot for watching and have a nice day. Bye bye.